In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Crisp Chat to ChatGPT in just 5 minutes. This powerful integration allows you to automate your workflow effortlessly, enhancing the way you interact with your audience by utilizing the capabilities of ChatGPT. To start, open your web browser and search for Zapier. Zapier is a well-known automation tool that connects various apps and services together, allowing them to work seamlessly. Once you have Zapier open, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following their straightforward sign-up process. Next, it's time to start a new workflow, which Zapier calls a Zap. Creating a Zap is simple and intuitive. Click on the Make a Zap button, or its equivalent, to begin setting up your automation process. Now, let's choose Crisp as your trigger app. Crisp is your customer messaging platform, and in this case, it's going to serve as the starting point for your automation. You'll then want to select a trigger event. This could be something like message incoming, which means that every time a visitor sends a message on Crisp, it will kickstart this automation process. It's important to connect your Crisp account to Zapier at this stage to ensure that the trigger will function properly. Zapier will guide you through connecting your Crisp account securely. Once Crisp is set as your trigger, the next step is to choose an action app, which for our purposes will be ChatGPT. The action event is what happens after the trigger, so here you'll want to select an event like Send a Message. This means that the visitor's message from Crisp will be sent to ChatGPT for processing. Mapping the data from Crisp to the ChatGPT action is crucial. This involves placing the incoming message data into the prompt for ChatGPT, ensuring your automation makes sense and functions correctly. Following this, you need to connect your ChatGPT account to Zapier, just as you did with Crisp. This allows for a smooth and secure workflow between the two platforms. With both accounts connected, your Zap is almost ready to go. However, it's always good practice to test your Zap before going live. This ensures everything is working as expected and provides an opportunity to troubleshoot any issues. Once you're satisfied with the test results, activate your Zap by turning it on. By following these steps, you have now seamlessly connected Crisp Chat to ChatGPT using Zapier, setting up a sophisticated automation that can handle your messaging needs efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!